How are you doing this?
You better stop talking, or I will defend your souls of your enemies. You killed me for once, and I don't want to let my voice be gone. You listen to me, ninja. I'm the humble dishwasher. I'm the dishwasher, and I'm from Oxmoor family, and I lived in the Jimmy house and his son Kai James. If you kill me and my stepsister, we will kill you to death. And you let my souls slowing me down. You let your souls slowing her down as us, and I will stealing all your souls. However, I'm not a bad guy. I'm not a villain. I'm a hero. You think you can kill me as well? No, you ain't. 1. You killed my stepsister.
I did what?
2. You killed the Hargreaves, Locke, and Mara. 3.
Impossible.
Now, I will kill one of you.
Are you trying to... You wanna die here?
You're gonna regret it.